Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make Pignoli cookies. This Italian cookie is made with almond paste and egg whites. It has a soft and chewy center and a thin outer shell topped with savory pine nuts. You can make this sweet treat in under 30 minutes. So let's get started! Break up 227 grams of almond paste in the food processor. Mix in 60 grams of room temperature egg whites. Once that's incorporated, add in 40 grams of granulated sugar, 50 grams of powdered sugar, a pinch of salt, and 2 grams of almond extract. Mix until well combined. Batter will have a sticky consistency. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Scoop batter directly onto pine nuts and place onto a sheet pan with the pine nuts facing up. Gently press the pine nuts into the batter so they will stick as they bake. Bake cookies until they are lightly golden brown, about 15 minutes. Allow cookies to cool before removing them from the pan and enjoy. Time to taste! They're so nice and chewy. Get a nice almond flavor, a nice crunch from the pine nuts, and it's not too sweet. It's perfect. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell button for notifications. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!